What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We're getting ready for a giveaway. We posted on Friday, just getting around to doing it now. So good luck. Thanks for joining and doing all the sharing and commenting, reviewing, all that good stuff. We got 10:25 on the clock, and here's our names. We got Tim down to C. I don't think there's that many people, so it shouldn't be bad. Good luck. 4 randoms. We only got 50 people. 49. 1, 2, 3. We got top two names taking home $50 break credit each. I figured there'd be a little bit more people involved. Setting up the find. Here's Thompson. Thompson, 10:25. 10:25 it is. Last and final is going to give us our top two. All right, here we go. Corey and Chad. Congrats, guys. Corey Follow and Chad Wilson. You guys are both taking home $50 break credit each. Congrats. Let me get your last time stamp. Fourth and final time stamp is at 10:26, and 10:26 it is. So congratulations again. After the fourth random, we have Corey and Chad both taking home $50 each. Thanks for joining us, folks. Sorry for the delay getting that done. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. And don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.